That missing piece of love keeps knocking at my door, missing that piece in me. Can't rest, can't breathe. Why should I suffer all when I've got nothing left to bleed? On the dresser, names I don't say, promises and warnings, all filed away. This love I deserve keeps getting spread too thin, distributed to strangers while I'm empty within. If love is a life sentence, set my quiet heart